During this course, I will discuss all about the technique step by step, and the participants will have the opportunity to receive a message about the technique, but also they will practice over the IDR models, the step by step, the IDR technique step by step, since the beginning to the end. And after we finish this course, they will be able to apply this technique in their patient's mouth. And my goal here is not go straight to the dentist, but especially to the patients, because the benefits for this technique, it's for them. This is why I'm here, to bring a new concept for the dentist in order to apply this technique in their patient's mouth.
The prosthetic procedures are a very, very important part of this technique. We will develop some protocol in order to achieve a very, very good soft tissue thickness and stability in the long term. So we will see step by step how to construct the provisional crown and the ideal emergence profile of the provisional crown, achieving a very, very interesting outcome in our soft tissues.
Way back 10 or 15 years ago, I joined forces with Dr. Rosa and Dr. Fadanelli to study IDR in a scientific approach. My main objective with this work is provide more scientific aspects and review all the procedures they are doing of point of view of biology, of bone biology.
I'm really amazed by the results and the technique of Dr. Da Rosa and his team.
I had the opportunity to attend an amazing course done by three great Brazilian guys.
It was a very good seminar, very nice organized.
I learned a lot of things thanks to Costa and thanks to Dr. Rosa and his friends.
I have learned a tremendous amount and I can highly recommend it to implant dentists. Thank you very much to Omnipress for organizing this excellent theory and hands-on course.